Hey everyone, it's Miss Bell here again in the science lab, and I'm wanting to talk to you about disposing of items in the science lab. Now, what I mean by disposing is getting rid of or throwing away items. Sometimes we have items that we can put straight into the trash can. Other items we have that are safe to put or pour down the sink. And then we have certain items such as chemicals or sand or soil or dirt that cannot go down the sink because they are harmful to either the pipes or that those items might get stuck in the pipes and the sediment might stay there and build up and build up and build up, which might cause blockage in the pipes, and we don't want that here at school. So let's say your class comes in and you're working at your tables, you do your labs, you observe and do your investigations, and then all of a sudden it's time to start cleaning up. Well, the first thing you want to do, if it hasn't already been mentioned, is raise your hand and ask your teacher or myself, Miss Bell, where can we put our items when we clean up? Where can we throw them away? Can we dump our liquids down the sink? And you should be given an answer. Yes, it's okay to dump these items down the sink. It's safe. Or no, we do not want to dump those items down the sink. And then further instructions will be given. So let's say we're working and I have my glass beaker. Again, very careful. We do not want to break glass in the science lab. But I have glass beaker filled with water. Water is definitely okay to pour down the sink, so I can come over here to the hand washing station or the sink behind my desk, and we can just pour that down the sink, A-okay, and then find a place that either your teacher or myself tells you to put the spoons or the tools or the beakers back. But let's say we have some sort of liquid that is not safe. Maybe it's a chemical or something, again, that might cause harm to the pipes if it gets poured down the sink. We don't want that. So we might have a little container like this. Right here we have an emptied out clean milk jug. It has a sign on it that says do not pour down the sink, and it's okay to pour this liquid in here using a funnel for safety so that there's no spillage. So I'm going to hold my glass beaker very carefully. Okay. I'm going to hold the funnel in place, and I'm just going to pour this liquid into the jug. And then either your teacher or myself will take care of this once we figure out where is a safe place to dispose of these liquids that are not safe, that aren't deemed safe to put down the sink. The same situation might go if we're working with sand or soil, pebbles, stuff like that. We don't ever want to put a huge chunk of those items down the sink. So we might have a bucket that looks like this, where we will say, okay, everyone, take your scoop or your spoon and put all of the dirt and soil and pebbles in there, and then I will take care of that. I'll either put it in the trash can or I'll let it air dry so that we can reuse that sand in the future. But that's up for me to decide on what we do with those certain items. Now let's say you're washing your hands, kind of like in the bathroom. You have paper towels. Those are okay to throw away, and we'll always have some sort of trash can by the sink area for you to throw away any items that are given to you in the instructions that yes, it's okay to throw away completely in the trash can. So again, we always want to ask and get permission if it's okay to pour down the sink, if it's okay to put straight in the trash can, so on and so forth. Because again, safety first in the science lab.